Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Pad 2, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and on the left side you'll find a bunch of toggles. One of those toggles will be power saving mode. For me it is right over here, and once you see yours you can simply tap on it. As you can see, this just highlights it and doesn't really give us any kind of info that it is running. It did lower the brightness just by a little bit. We should also have more info if we hold this toggle and navigate to power saving mode, and here we can see under learn more what is being changed. So out of this entire list, there's a couple of things that I'm just gonna mention. You can obviously go over this entire list, but the more important ones will be things like the disable background sync. It's a very vague term that describes that your phone or tablet will just disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when it's in sleep mode. Sleep mode meaning basically locked and not used for a couple of minutes. And in this kind of scenarios, you will not be getting any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection, as the device just disconnects from it. So be very wary of that. Other things will be the things like hotspot, so it turns off your hotspots, and annoying things, maybe the screen on timer to 15, it's changed to 15 seconds no matter what you set it up to, and additionally the refresh rate is capped at 60 Hertz. So these are the kind of like visible options that might be annoying. The rest of it, you probably won't really see that much of a difference. This one in terms of usability will be the most impactful to some people. Anyway, so there we go, that's our power saving mode, and obviously you can turn it on and off from the notifications right here. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.